Namaskar, friends. Today, our new topic is oil refineries, and as a part of a feast for the starving mind. So, today we will learn about the oil refineries of India. So, the distribution of oil fields. Let us first learn about this. Digboy, Naharkatia, Ankleshwar, Bombay High, Bantumilli, Narimanam. These are prominent oil fields of India. We can classify them in different ways. So, first, let us learn about the coastal oil refineries. They are Haldia, Paradip, Vishakhapatnam, Tatipaka, Chennai, Vadinar, Nagapatnam, Kochi, Mangalore, Ratnagiri, Trombay, and Jamnagar. Now, market based oil refineries. These are Mathura, Barauni, Bhatinda, Bina, Panipat, and Karnal. We also have oil refineries based on raw material based. They are Digboi, Nonamati, Bongaigaon, Numaligarh, and Koyali. Now, the public sector undertakings. We have Barauni, the oil refinery in Bihar, which is operated by Indian Oil Corporation Limited and set up in July 1964. Another public sector unit is Koyali in Gujarat, started in October 1965, and it is operational under Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Next, we have Haldia, which is in West Bengal, operated by Indian Oil Corporation Limited and started in January 1975. Mathura, which was started in January 1983, is in Uttar Pradesh and operated and managed by Indian Oil Corporation Limited, also in public sector. We have Panipat in Haryana, started in January 1998, operational by Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Next, we have Guwahati, started in January 1962. It is in Assam and operated by Indian Oil Corporation Limited. We have Digboi in Assam, started in January 1901, one of the oldest in the world, we can say, operated by Indian Oil Corporation Limited. We have Bongaigaon, started in February 1974 in Assam, operated by Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Next, we have Paradip in Odisha, started in May 2002, operated and managed by Indian Oil Corporation Limited. We have Mumbai in Maharashtra, started in July 1954, operated by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL. At Visakhapatnam or Vizag in Andhra Pradesh, started in July 1978 and operated by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Next, we have Bhatinda. It is both public sector and JV Hindustan Petroleum and Mittal Energy Limited combinedly they operate. It is in Punjab. We have Mumbai, another important oil refinery, started in January 1955 and operated by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Next we have Kochi in Kerala, established in 1963, and this oil refinery is maintained by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Bina, that is in Madhya Pradesh, started in May 2011 and managed by public sector and JV Bharat Oman Refineries Limited. Next we have at Manali in Tamil Nadu, started in November 1965, operated and managed by Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. And the one we have at Nagapattinam in Tamil Nadu, started in January 1993, operated by Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. Numaligarh, which was started in April 1999 in Assam. Here it is a PSU plus JV Numaligarh Refineries Limited, where the Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has 61% of shares. Tatipaka, which is in Andhra Pradesh, started in June 2001. This is public sector, and Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited combinedly operate. We have Mangalore in Karnataka, started in June 2003, operated by Mangalore Refinery Petroleum Limited and ONGC. Jamnagar, set up in January 2000 in Gujarat. It is a private one. Reliance Industries Limited operates it. We have another one, Jamnagar in SEZ, again in Gujarat, started in January 2001, operated by Reliance Industries Limited. Next we have Vadinar, started in May 2008 in Gujarat, operated by private Nayara Energy Limited. Formerly it was SR Oil. Please do subscribe and share and comment. Thank you for watching.